Hey, new year, new switches. How's it going, everyone? Hope you're doing well. So, I got the new switch from Moondrop, and it's not a neutral sounding signature like from their IEMs. Just kidding. If you're wondering why is Moondrop doing this instead of focusing on audiophile space, the answer is I don't know either. But did you know that they are also into mechanical keyboard hobby? If you know the brand Idobao, or if you have one of those keyboard, it's actually their sister company. Well, that's according to what I heard, and I am not really sure about that. So I think they are no stranger when it comes to keyboard hobby space. In fact, they are on their way to release their own mechanical keyboard called the Moondrop Dash, a mechanical keyboard with built-in DAC. Yeah, audiophile meets keyboard hobby. Very interesting, right? So let's go back into these switches. So, Moondrop partnered or collab with G Square Studio to make this happen. You can find more info on drop.com if you're interested to know more about it. And yes, this isn't a sponsored video, just so you know. So this is one of the two brand new and first release switches, the Moondrop Tessence, which is the Tactile. I decided not to get the other one called the Luna Light, that's the linear, because I don't have extra money as for the moment, and I think it's very identical, except it's just lighter and it's a linear. The design looks really clean, minimalist, and very neutral. You can already tell that these are not for hardcore RGB fanatics, but the LED light will pass through here, and it's also an SMD compatible if you have an old school mechanical keyboard. The top and bottom housing are nylon material, and the stem is made out of foam but with a special material that looks like a film or a shiny layer thing. So when you open this up, you might think it's a factory lube switch, but really it isn't. It has a double stage spring with 50 or 50 grams operating force and 62 grams bottom out force. As you can see, it's a dust-proof scale type stem or mounting, and a 5-pin for more stability. Alright, I think we can already test this out. I'm going to use this brand new GMM Gate 265% from Glorious. I'll be doing a review on this keyboard as well, so be sure to subscribe and get notified. So here we go, guys. Enjoy! So here are my final thoughts about this Switch according to my own experience and preference. First, I really like the tactility effect on the Tessence. It's just right, and what I mean by that is it's not as strong as the Boba U40 or the Glorious Panda, where you can really feel the strong tactility. The bump is a bit high, you can feel it right away when you press it. For the first few hours of typing and testing, it's very fatiguing, especially when you do not have any experience on tactile switches or you're used to a linear switch. It feels like 62 or 68ish rather than 50 grams. Maybe because of the double stage springs and high bump placement, or maybe both. The actual stock typing sound for me is very good. The smoothness is there and really feels like it's a factory lube switch. For the sound, there's a little bit of clackiness and you can hear a little bit of sticky sound. Something like that, and that's how I describe it in actual. Right now, I only have one keyboard to test on, so I think it's very interesting to hear this switch on the other keyboards as well. For now, this will be my endgame tactile switch, even though it's a bit pricey. It's like $20 to $22 per box of that is for 35 pieces, so that makes it close to a 6 cents per switch. Comparing to other premium switches like the Boba, Holy Pandas, Glorious Panda, Affleon Inks, and my favorite budget tactile, which is the Ajas Wano Banana switch. That one is real banger, by the way. This will be on my top list of tactile switches for now. I like everything about it, and this is what I want to see more in 2023. A fresh and unique switches, not too expensive, not too cheap, not a copycat, unique name, and from a brand diving into the keyboard hobby universe. Alright, that's it. I'll see you again next time. Don't forget to leave a comment and give this video a thumbs up. Stay safe, everyone. Bye for now.